I'm throwing 7 different kinds of smoke!
Possibly.
Hello, Chava.
The enemy has your flag. You have the flag.
Wait, what day is it today?
Saturday.
Okay.
It's Sunday for me.
My only free day in the week. Oh.
You have the flag.
Where did that come from?
Really aren't that many weapons around.
Red flag return. Red scores. You have the flag. The enemy has your flag.
See, yeah, fuck this drift mode.
Drift.
Yeah, nerd.
Drift mode.
Deja vu. I just been in this place before. Higher on the screen.
Red flag return.
CJ is my
The
favorite
enemy has your
commentator.
flag.
Same.
Same, PBA.
Red flag return. Red scores. The enemy has your flag.
Only Poles can get this salty in Serious Sam Fusion.
2017 bait.
Don't forget the parentheses.
Made in the holy
Red
language of C++.
flag return.
Here are your parentheses.
I will really like
Bryson?
You have the flag.
White. White boy.
Okay then. Oh, I hoped it would say Super Sparrow.
Well then.
Blue flag return.
I would really like to play enemy territory Quake Wars. At least once.
We wanted to do an event on it once.
Yeah.
I feel
Because,
like a
like, I got-
migraine. Alright, then don't.
I got the demo server to actually work, and it was playable.
Red flag return.
Wow. We
The
need to
enemy
try it.
has your flag.
Yeah, that was back in May.
3,
Torrent, of
2,
course.
1. Red wins.
I did it.
You deet.
Let's see if that TP all. Oh, actually, it works. Okay, what now?
Yeah, can we try Oh yeah, try Quake one more time, just in normal generation. Because this is...
Nice! Nice!
Welcome to Capture the Jousting.
Is this the CTF face remaster?
Blue flag return. You have their flag.
No, it's look like 2-4, but without
Red
the
flag
tunnels.
return.
This is the longest yard, but it's actually a yard.
You have their flag. They have your flag. Blue flag returned. Blue team scores. They have your flag.
This really seems like one of those Halo Forge maps.
Blue flag returned.
It really does.
Red flag returned. You have their flag.
Like, I'm not even complaining. This is actually fun.
Blue flag returned. Blue team scores. You have their flag. You have their flag. You have their flag. Blue team scores. You have their flag. They have your flag. Blue flag returned. Blue team scores. They have your flag.
Not this
Oh,
time. no.
goodbye.
They have have your flag. Blue flag returned. You have their flag. Red flag returned. You have their flag. Red flag returned. You have their flag. Red flag returned. You have their flag.
I think it's funny that you can reload the golds despite them having infinite ammo
Red
here.
flag returned.
Again?
They have your flag.
I think it's funny that you can reload the golds despite the fact that they don't need
They have
reloading.
their flag.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's,
yeah.
that's basically the workaround I had
They have
to do
your
to
flag.
get them to be able to constantly
Red
suit.
flag returned.
I see.
Blue flag returned. You have their flag. They have your flag.
Also, it's my sort of being able to just reload on a whim. Just to be stylish. Literal BM.
Blue team scores. You have their flag.
They have like 10,000
Blue team scores.
clip.
Nice, I'll try to empty it.
You have their
See you
flag.
in a year.
5,
Yeah,
6,
yeah.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Are we
15,
there
16.
yet?
Are we there yet?
Blue flag returned. They have your
Oh,
flag.
I have the flag.
They have your flag.
We'll capture
Not
it.
having the flag.
returned.
No, I won't give up my flag.
Blue team scores.
It's mine for a
Flag.
reason.
They have your flag.
He's mine.
They have your flag. Red flag returned.
Ryzen, give
You
back
have
our
their
flag.
Blue flag
That is
Oh,
returned.
my
I even
flag.
did
Flag
it too.
returned. You have
How
their
kind
flag.
of him. This is the best.
They have your flag.
I want this to be a
Red
dedicated map.
flag returned.
Hmm.
You have their flag.
This reminds me of a peculiar map my friend
Red
made
flag
for
returned.
Neo
Red
Tokyo,
team scores. They have
which
your
was
flag.
also like of.
Blue flag returned.
It was something similar, but even better.
You have their flag.
We can try it out once we'll have a fucking Neo Tokyo event. God, I was begging for one since a year. Didn't get online multiplayer yet, and I'm not touching Parsec.
Oh, we're on normal generation.
Okay, we can change the map to Edge of Oblivion since you asked.
Like Tormento, a game with absolute shithead
Wait.
devs.
Flag.
Cannot start both to change map because requested level is not valid for game mode capture the flag.
It might be. How many levels or so in your?
Weapons are here now, probably something bugged.
Weapon.
We poo.
Yeah, I might want to take them to the log. See if
Ah,
there's any.
говно.
There is nothing really.
For different aiming
Blue
styles.
flag returned. You
Ah.
have their flag.
Like, yes, we have less accurate, more accurate, and total accurate.
What are we doing?
I have no idea.
Forgive my broken English.
Yeah, it's alright.
Yeah, it's fine.
Can you fix your English before the beta ends? Thanks.
It's I think it's not even in alpha.
Just like Serious Sam 4.
Like Series of no.
See you at
Fusion Beta.
see you at E3.
I mean, they saw you, you didn't see them.
Red flag returned. Red team scores. They have your flag. You have their flag. Red flag returned.
I hope Chrome Team will be at the Gamescom.
Yes, they will be with their new hit game, Serious Sam Tormental.
Serious Sam Tournament.
No, we won't give any
I
of the
still don't-
incubate. We won't give any of the
They
incubator
have your
games.
flag.
The prefix Serious Sam actually calls Tormental Serious Sam Tormental. You know what bothers me to this very day?
You have their flag.
Why do people even think that making a Serious Sam indie game is profitable in any way?
Red flag returned.
I mean,
Red team scores.
Serious Sam is already sort of an indie.
You have their
It
flag.
is.
So what you're effectively making is an indie.
I'm an indie.
Indie. The layers of indie that we are reaching.
There needs to be a new term
Your
for this.
flag.
Indieception.
In indie.
Indeedy.
Indie have a fucking term. Waste of money.
Ooh, snap.
Yeah, now that
I mean-
Tormental is out, I don't have to shill that shit and fucking stupid video.
I mean, I got it for free, so I'm not
Flag
complaining.
returned.
I think the entire group got it for free.
There is like one person who purchased it. Yeah, I know.
Everyone who would care about that game got it for free. The sales are low. I wonder why.
Chirp.
What could be the reason for this?
They have your flag.
I just wake up one day to a message from Roy.
thanks.
Nani, we have Tormental release party. Please join. I will give you a key if you do.
I'm not gonna join the next time Roy asks me to
Have
do
their
that.
flag.
I only
I'm tired
joined
of this.
because Roy begged me to.
Yeah,
How was the release party?
Bad.
it was alright. Yeah, it was bad because of
Flag
Parsec.
returned.
Oh, that's about it.
I've played in co-op with Gnome, right?
Are you talking about Tormental or?
Yes. I was
Battle
playing
Ball?
with in co-op. Most of the time it brought me back to the tutorial level if I progressed any further.
Red team.
I also
scores.
always spawned
You have
under
their
the map.
flag.
And when I complained about it to the Tormental devs, they just said, "Oh yeah, co-op is broken."
Ba-da-ba-ba-da.
But it's in early
They
access!
have your flag.
Why would you play Tormental alone?
Why would you play Tormental?
Why would you play with your...
Because
would
of because of prizes for 150 points.
Blue flag returned.
I wanted a cool T-shirt signed by Alan Latterback.
Blue team scores. They
And what
have your
did you
flag.
get?
A C++ t-shirt?
Instead, I just got Tormental. Has Roy asked? No, he didn't.
No. I don't think he's that much of a
Seller.
chill. Yeah.
He asked me. Oh,
Blue
jeez.
team scores.
I remember that one time I made a joke review on Bogus Detour, and everyone went apeshit.
They should have added multiplayer at the start. It's dead now.
They
It's not
should have
gonna-
actually
flag.
finished the game.
Yeah. Like,
I don't understand like the concept of.
Red flag
Okay,
returned.
so we have this game, right? It's cool. It actually has potential to be fun in multiplayer, right? Fuck you, local co-op, because we are too lazy to actually implement the networking stuff. Even though it's made in Unity, which just simplifies like 90% of it.
I mean,
No,
truth
no.
be told, netcoding is a nightmare.
It is a nightmare, but like the Unity networking stack just kind of simplifies it. Besides, they released it on Steam, right? They could easily implement like peer-to-peer or something offered by Steam. And like Steam's...
Years. Where it's at.
Is netcode is really a problem for
At
a
loading.
turn-based
For a turn-based game like Battle Balls?
game? Yes.
Absolutely no, it's just thinking about...
It was,
I guess.
yeah, I unstuck you.
In gap.
Making networking for something like Battle Balls could be easy.
If you have a screenshot, send it when you have the time.
And now he's dead. I can point you to where he was stuck, Ryson.
Okay.
If you, I'll shoot lava nails in the air.
Sorry, Riba.
The funny thing is that
Right here.
Getting towards that.
You have their flag.
Bogus Detour actually had online multiplayer.
They have your flag.
Like
On
right
the side.
here, between
Oh,
the...
yeah, that happens. Yeah,
Yeah, this.
hard to really do
But it had no. It still had online multiplayer though,
that. That happens.
so it's better than nothing.
Okay, we'll go on with your daily life, citizen.
Alright.
Where's all the
Pick up that.
medkits?
Pick up that can.
put it in the trash can.
Okay, guys, what is the next big Crow Team Incubator game you are waiting for?
Hand of Merlin.
They have your flag.
And in reality, it's
Red
just
flag
actually
returned.
single player.
I don't know, this game isn't using up any
They have
network
your
resource.
Big thing. No, it's the newest Crow Team developed technology.
Man.
Along with procedural cobblestone
Red team
generation.
Man, it says a lot when I was more excited for Eye running backwards than Series M4.
Serious Sam 4 is gonna fucking suck, man.
It will. Like they are putting too much like of their assets into the wrong parts of the game.
Yeah.
Procedural fucking cobblestone.
I mean, it's not
Fucking 1080p cobblestone, boy. Each stone is generated, even the small ones in between. Going to have Ramirez, and he's going to be a meme.
Ramirez.
Yeah.
Ramirez.
Yes,
Did you just call my boy Ramirez?
yes, but will it have
Fucking
Luan
what's
from
his
Shadow
name?
Warrior? Like
How dare you
Running
desecrate the god Rodriguez?
Rodriguez, that's the one. Fucking.
Okay, guys.
The best character.
I'm sorry that I didn't remember this iconic
The
character.
enemy has your flag.
according to Celeste, he's the hero of Series M4.
Okay, so like, you have all of these characters in Series Sam4, right? But will you have the bullet from I Hate Running Backwards? Will you?
Luan! Will we have Luan?
We have
Have
Jacket.
Richard.
Whoops.
Man, I can't believe we're just shit talking everything now.
I mean,
Like,
I mean, there's,
the
like,
series-
not everything, just serious Sam shit.
Yeah.
The enemy
Remember
honestly
when this
feel
group?
like-
Remember when this group used to like Serious Sam?
Yeah, remember that?
I honestly
Those were
feel like
good
we're just
times.
setting ourselves up for disappointment.
We are.
Why aren't we doing something about it?
What is that?
Can we do? We keep
Yeah.
telling fucking Solize and Co. that this is no bueno.
It's
But
not.
no,
The last time,
cobblestone, nigga.
I mean, look, there's been negative reception, right? And then they show nothing for a while. Maybe there's a reason for that. Because there is negative reception. And if they show something again, they'll get even more negative reception.
no, because they have no programmers to actually work on the game.
Oh fuck, we had our flag.
Yeah, and if they show nothing,
That's
they'll
the
get nothing.
point!
You
They'll
know
get no
why?
reception at
Because
all,
of
and
how
when the game
Alan
comes out-
treats coders. That's all because of how Alan treats coders. Like there is the Alan test, which you have to pass to even work at a fucking middle tier indie studio.
I don't know, man. Like, I want to hope that it will be.
Yeah,
good, but it's-
I actually do wish that it will come with some really neat stuff for at
You
least.
have to
enemy
be
has your
rational
flag.
at some time. Like, I still have hope for games. I believe that there will be great games. Serious Sam 4 just isn't one of them.
It's not about whether it will be good or not. It's just what they are doing with it right now doesn't seem like it's going in a good direction.
If
I
they
mean, they
can
haven't
show
showed,
something good,
like,
if they can
a
show
lot.
that they're changing, then I will eat my words. I will say that they are good.
Will
But
you eat
so
your
far,
hat?
it's nothing.
There's still a long way to go. 2020,
Yeah,
guys.
there is still a long way to go, and here's hoping that.
Wasn't it supposed to be like Q4 2019?
Late 2019, early 2020.
So
That's-
basically never.
The enemy has your flag.
Not so sure.
Red wins.
I did it.
Even with all the consoles, I'm not worrisome about Series Sam 4. Gnome! You are like a page show for a Crow Team at this point. You've spent most
I
of your
mean,
life
yeah,
inside.
so like, they haven't shown a publicly, and that's kind of really the main thing.
It's both concerning and like, you know, at the same time.
I'm sure it'll be fine.
I just want
think so
them to,
too.
like,
You have
I just
their
want them
flag.
to like increase the modding capability of the engine, because the engine is not too bad. It's just Crow Team made it, so it's really unfriendly to modders in some
Blue
like
flag
places.
returned. Blue team scores.
Like they hardcode most of the stuff they need.
Red team scores.
Yeah, but even then, like, back in, like, early Serious Sam 3, they did actually add
Red
in
flag returned.
new features
Red
for
team
modders,
scores.
like the, custom world scripts and all that.
Wasn't it added in? Oh no, it wasn't added in TSC.
Yeah, it was added in BFE after I pretty much complained about it.
Yeah, but it was back when they used to listen to, you know, beta testers.
Yeah, back when, like, you know, they didn't have many major projects going on, or, like, they weren't crunching to finish a game within, like, a year or two, or however long. 4 or 5.
That problem could have been easily evaded if they just, like, kind of stooped down the requirements they have for programmers. Because in reality, no one with the skill set that they require would want to work in an indie studio.
Yeah, actually, about that one. A few months ago, I was like testing something for Defo for a status map. It was like one of the lightning scripts in BFE, I think, that like randomly generates lightning. Basically, what one of the scripts was doing was it was setting a random variable for like the angle where the lightning spawns.
Yeah?
And immediately afterwards, set it to 0.
What?
So it just stays at the same position for the entire time.
Red flag
For what reason?
team
And I
scores.
think this is actually still in the game.
Uh,
And Devo was like, it's amazing that this got in, despite the fact that, like,
isn't that
The
in, like
best
They hired
exists.
C++ scripters, it's not Lewis scripters.
yeah.
If only there were some Lewis scripters around.
hmm.
I mean, do you really want to work at Crow Team?
No.
Money would be nice.
If I had no other
Red
choice
flag returned.
of a
Red team
workplace,
scores.
I would go work at Crow Team, but otherwise no, just no.
I mean, it's not that I resent them, it's just,
Red team scores.
I mean,
Rather not.
Crow Team can be. I mean, Crow Team isn't always too bad. It's just, you know.
Red flag
I
returned.
just prefer to stay a fan, I guess.
Also, I don't want to work on site in
Red
Croatia.
team scores.
Why not? You'd get to meet Alan every day. Every single
Yeah,
day
but
of the
I-
work week.
But I'd have to learn a new language, and I already know 2, which is like one too many.
Two is too many languages?
I know English and that other language which I forgot.
Oh, you mean like actual language, not programming
Yeah.
language.
If it comes to programming languages, I can adapt to basically anything.
Blue team scores.
Except for functional programming languages, like Haskell. I joke about it a lot, but I know basically jack shit.
I mean, functional programming isn't that bad.
Looking at the code makes me wanna cry.
It's just not.
Blue flag
It's just
returned.
hard to get
Scores.
by.
I know that Microsoft made their own called F#, which is basically like VBNet and C# combined together. So like,
So,
I wonder how
They have
how
their flag.
hard would it be to make a procedurally generated world like in fucking Minecraft.
Why do?
Well,
Do you want to make
Oh,
Minecraft and Serious Sam now?
I mean, theoretically, from what I'm thinking, since we have raycasting, we could basically make like a map split into like big voxel chunks.
So what you're saying is,
Hey, Ryus.
maybe
Hey, Ryus,
with
wanna
scripts.
Ryusen, wanna make a mod?
Hmm.
I can help you out
Blue flag returned. Blue team
by providing a
scored.
script which
They
plays
have your
sounds.
flag.
What's next? You're gonna make Fortnite in Serious Sam?
Okay.
Hmm.
I actually wanted to port Black Side into
Red team
Fusion.
scored.
The deal is Crafty
They
doesn't
have
work
your
well with
flag. They
CSGO
have
maps.
your flag.
Okay, so that's probably the end for today.
Yes, I'm tired.
Okay.
So yeah.
No, clearly we need to play instant kill and. Well,
No,
probably Burden, and-
no.
No, instant kill is pretty fast, so we can play one.